What's up guys, CJ from Panda Motorworks here, and today we say goodbye to a dear friend. Our 2021 Big Bend has been a blast, and test fitting parts, developing our Panda power module, and getting this beast ready for SEMA was a lot of fun. But it's time for us to say goodbye to this beautiful Bronco. But don't worry, we have a little magic tucked up our sleeves. I'm happy to introduce you to the newest member of the Panda Motorworks family, this 2021 Cyber Orange Outer Banks Bronco. There's a lot that we love about this more refined, higher trim Bronco. The seat design is nice, the mega-sized touchscreen is a convenient upgrade, the B&O sound system is truly an impressive improvement from the stock Big Bend, and the locking rear diff will make this build an even more capable off-road machine. Over the next several months, you will get to watch as we test fit a number of amazing products on this new Bronco. We have some awesome things planned, from comparing some of the most popular off-road lighting solutions, lift kits and wheel packages, ditching the stock bumper for some of our favorite aftermarket replacements, and much, much more. So make sure you're subscribed and you have that notification bell clicked so you don't miss any of our new Bronco videos. If you like the video, smash the like button. We'll see you very soon with more Bronco content. Thanks for watching.